Hello, everybody. This is Nal from Best RV in Trolla, California. Today, I'm presenting for you the brand new 2025 RPOD 197. This is a perfect unit for Pop and Mom, for two couples. Maybe they will bring grandkids with them, but strictly this is for two people who would like to go outside enjoying the outdoor. It has one features, as we mentioned in the RPOD, on the new model of the 2025. They come with a window in the front, but the window is open. But this unit has two big windows open, and unbelievable, which is this one here, that is amazing. You have like the new houses where you have the living area outdoor inside the living area. They try to do the same concept on the RPOD 197, where you could enjoy the camping inside your trailers as well the camping outside the trailers. You could come with a barbecue outside so you could cook, and if you want, ask the wife, pass me some sugars, pass me some salts, peppers, fork knives. She could pass everything for you because you have a huge window. And also the nice thing is, you could, when we go inside, you will see how they did it right. You could sit, enjoy a nice early morning breakfast, and enjoy the view when you're camping. This is a perfect for husband and wife. They just want to buy that trailers and go some places, enjoy the outdoor. It's perfect for couple person. Coming in, let's see the inside. Now, as you see here, as I mentioned to you, this is for two people. So you have a nice counter space here with the big window. So even if this window you want to close it, it's very easy. You just kind of close it, close the latch on it. It has the screen if you want just a fresh air to come in, and also it has uh, a privacy shades if you want to just at night, if you want to lower it in, so you have full privacy. So it's amazing for two reasons. Number one, huge counter space. So ladies, when they complain, no space, no counter, no counter, look how big it is. And then you have a nice prepping area between the sink and the stove. There's a place even you put your coffee maker, toasters. There's one tin plug over here too. And then it has a nice breakfast bar, dining countertop. I don't know what you want to say. You want to work from your trailers? Perfect. You could put your laptop here, plug it in 110 USB, work from your travel trailer while you're camping somewhere else. A nice sofa for the lady if she want to stretch her legs, watch a TV. Again, as we mentioned in the previous RPOD, all these TVs are 12 volt. I could run it off the battery. I don't need to be plugged in. But it's the amazing what me personally like on this trailer. This area. This is a make the unit. Look how nice the view. I could sit here if I don't want to open the window. I could look through the window. Nice view, nice rivers. I could enjoy the view when I'm camping in the middle of nowhere. Nice place. I could sit, eat my breakfast, lunch. I could do my work if I want to. And then if I want a fresh air, it's very simple, easy. I just go outside. I open the latch. It has even shock. It's open by itself. You don't have to worry about it's going to hit the awning. And then voila, I'm sitting here enjoying the view. And then if I need something, I could yell for my wife, say, hey, could you pass me something? Or we could have me and her have a nice lunch enjoying the view. It's amazing space. And the point is, it's only 19 foot. It's a 19 foot with a huge counter space, a 19 foot with a huge counter dining area. So it's amazing that travel trailers. So you could see here, if it get too noisy, we have the train pass by. And then I could close this, give you more privacy, and voila. Now, the advantage for you also, if I'm sitting here watching a TV and sitting and relax, the TV is in front of me. So I don't have to kind of like go on an angle way. Even if I lay down in this bed, this is a Murphy bed options, and that's how they build it with the Murphy and Queen bed, is I could lay down in the bed and it's still watching my TV. As you see, let's see the bed, how big it is. Coming in, let's look. I could move these. I call them the cup holder. And lower the sofa down. and I don't do nothing. Just drop the latch. That's it. Voila. I have a full 60 by 80 queen bed with a nice view. And as I mentioned in the previous RPOD travel trailers, this window is open, so I could get a fresh air. I could open this one on the dining. I could open the one by the bed. There's one behind the kitchens. It's amazing. On a 19-foot, I'm getting all this space. 19-foot box. Now, one thing separate RPOD from the others, two things. RPOD, they give you automatically the 200-watt solar panel on the roof, and there's the features, nobody asked about it, but I have to remind them. It has heated holding tank with the 12-volt switches. So now when I turn these switches, there's a heat blankets wrap my holding tank, so if I'm in extreme cold weather, I don't have a problem with what's called frozen plumbing. That's a features RPOD offer you. The competitor, they say, yeah, we enclose under belly and we put installation. Yes, that's true. But if you don't put a heat pad on the tank, on the holding tank, guess what? They're going to freeze up and cause damage for my plumbing. As you see, we talked about this in the previous units. It has a huge radius sink, cutting board, as well as sink cover. One thing about the RPOD for the 2025, everything's coming with big windows. Look at it, huge windows. I have window here, big. Look how big it is. Roller shade, a bigger window here, another big window here. Then the ladies always complaining, hey, I don't have place for pantry, or I don't have place for storage. Well, guess what? You have those storage compartment with shelf, as you see, underneath of the counter. Now, if this is not enough, the RPOD offer you also, and we have the privacy here, then the RPOD offer you a full huge pantry. Look how many stuff I could throw in, and even it has the net too. So you could see this is the outdoor barbecue grill. We sit outside. The picnic tables go next to the barbecue outside, the outside sprayers. The central vacuum hoses is all here. Come, but as you see, it's a huge, and again, I'm emphasizing it's only 19-foot box. You're still getting the 11 cubic refrigerator, the one we talk about it, the biggest 12-volt reefer for travel trailers, two-door. And then you still have the central vacuum with the sweep, so I could open this, sweep my dust, and I sweep my dust here. I have the vacuum, and I have all the accessories inside the pantry, as you see. But when I close this door, call the privacy I'm getting. You know, I have my queen bed, my breakfast countertop, and also if I don't want to see my bed, all I do this. All I need to do that, and then I have my own full sofa with my, again, don't forget my cup holder, and voila, look all the privacy I have. So I don't have to see the bathroom. I have a big counter space, a lot of storage, a lot of, even here there's a window. It's amazing of sizes. There's a window even in the entry door. Very roomy, very roomy. A lot of counter space, a lot of storage for pantries and clothes, a lot of shelves, a lot of cabinet. And the most important thing about the 197, this they did it right. This is still the 197, where I have the outdoor living inside my trailers. This you cannot find in the other brands. RPOD 197, they did it right. And then you come to the bathroom. I forgot to mention about the bathroom. How big is this bathroom? Show them how big this bathroom. You have even a window. If you worry, there's a window. There's a fantastic fan, or the Furion 3-speed fan, the big fan. It's nice. We talk about it in the RPOD. You know, sliding shower door, and phenomenal. All these shelves. I don't know what how many towels you're gonna take with you. Look how many places you could put towels. You name it. You have this big pantry. I don't know what you're gonna put here. And then you have all this kitchen cabinets, very open, European hinges, not the piano hinges. It's amazing quality structure. And still the important thing with the RPOD is you could pull it with your half ton. In the top of that, when you come to Best RV, we assure you is the lowest price in the state of California for RPOD travel trailers. And if somebody come close to our prices, we're gonna match it and beat it. No, we're not gonna match it. We're gonna beat it. And as I said, and save you thousands of dollars. It's worth the drive to come and see the brand new 2025 Forest River RPOD 197 from Best RV. And guys, don't forget, at Best RV, we don't charge a dealer prep fees, no bogus fees, no junk fees, none of that. Just sale price, tax and license, and if whatever accessories you want to purchase. Coming into Best RV, come see the new 2025 Forest River RPOD 197, and we assure you you're gonna love it. Bring your truck with you and your vehicle or your SUV, because we assure you will go the same day with it. One thing about us here at Best RV, if you choose to go with the trailers, you don't have to. If you choose to go with the travel trailers at the same day, all we ask you give us 2 hours, we'll prep it, wash it, clean it, and we're ready to do walkthrough, so you could go now to home, go to camping. Come to Best RV.